Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach how to marinate chicken for biryani. In a platter, add half cup green chilies ginger garlic paste. This is the homemade green chilies ginger garlic paste. Next, I will add 1 cup curd, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chaat masala powder, 1 tablespoon homemade biryani masala, salt, spices, 1 cup cooking oil, half lemon juice. Mix everything together. This marination is for 1 kg chicken biryani. You can add mutton pieces also. I have taken 1 kg chicken. This is washed and cut into medium size. Half kg potatoes, peeled and cut. And the best results, you can keep this it overnight and you can keep it for 3 to 4 hours before cooking. I must say you should try this recipe and share with your family and friends. See you soon inshallah with another recipe. Till then take care. Assalamu alaikum.